Stay tuned for one of my must needed hair hacks that I use for my dry damaged hair. What's up YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Maria. In case you don't know, let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? Okay. Listen, you are getting the bare Mari, like at the end of the day, whatever. We are doing, well, today I'm going to be doing a video for how I go from frontal, which is this picture, to braids, which is what you're about to see me do now. I had a frontal in for a while. I took my braids out already that I had in under it, and then now it's literally just like the glue, you know, the makeup from whatever, and then everything else. So I'm about to wash my hair, deep condition it, and you guys are gonna see the process because I've never really done like a hair care routine, and I feel like it's needed because I didn't really have nobody to tell me what to do with my hair. I kind of just figured it out like throughout the years, and some people might, you know, want to know. So let's check it out. Stay tuned, and also I might record me doing the braids. I don't know, probably. So stay tuned, guys, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining, and don't forget to put your favorite color down below, guys, because my favorite color is purple. Usually I wait to the end of the video to say, but we're friends. We chilling today, so what's up? It's Sunday. This sunlight is beautiful. Like, seriously, I love sitting down in the sunlight and just getting it in, even if I'm not outside, you know. But at the end of the day, let's get to it. Yeah, so oh, hold on, I look crazy, y'all. Give me a second. Yeah, okay. So yeah, guys, I didn't forget. Kinda did, but it's okay. I'm back with the video, guys. I'm just going to be finishing up. I have the conditioner in my hair right now. This is what I'm using. I shampooed my hair with this, which is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore shampoo, which has Jamaica castor oil, shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And then I followed up with this conditioner, which I'm still putting in my hair right now, is the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore conditioner with the same things in it, because yeah, my hair needs it. So we're just gonna be doing that, and I'm gonna set the camera up so hopefully you guys can see. I'm getting in the tub, guys, because listen, I ain't trying to get no wet hair everywhere, but just this is my process. So what I like to do, because it is way easier to just get my hair fully in all angles when I moisturize it like this. You don't do too much. Also, I have this really nice brush that I saw online that I ordered off Amazon, guys. This is so nice. I love it. Ignore the hair. As you know, your hair is supposed to shed 100 strands a day. If it doesn't shed that much, guys, I'm going to tell you. I usually, as I'm doing my hair, I like gather up all the hair, put it in one spot, and then throw it away when I get done, just to kind of see how my hair is doing. But like I said, I had it in the braids for a little minute when I had it in the wig, so just letting my hair breathe a bit. I want to get all of the conditioner in there because like I said, guys, whew, my hair needs it. So guys, that was a lot of hair. I feel like not a lot, but I still have to rinse it out. But what I'm gonna be doing now, wash my hands. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing some box braids. So when I do my box braids, I'm gonna try to do some knotless ones. I'm gonna see how that turns out. I've never done it before, but I'm confident because usually when I do hairstyles and I'm just trying, they turn out pretty good. Probably not perfect, but pretty good. Because I'm doing it myself, not paying somebody. I look crazy. I like a mushroom. What is this? Oh, this is gonna be a new style. Y'all like it? Let me stop. Anyways, so yeah, guys, I'm just gonna wait for this to go through. Usually, a lot of people incubate it with like a grocery bag or something, put it over their head. It's too much work. I don't feel like doing it because I don't want to take too long on my hair, guys. Like I said, I still have to braid it, part it, do all the other stuff. So I'm gonna let this sit in here for a little bit, let it consume some air, get in that oxygen and everything. We're gonna be good. All right. Oh, my edges don't look too bad. How did y'all frontals be looking after them? How did you guys' edges be looking after them frontals? Because I know a lot of people say push y'all edges back, but I try to be. I have a big forehead, so when I wear a frontal, my stuff be like right here, okay? Because no. So yeah, like I said, guys, I'm about to roll this up so that it can be good. And yeah, catch you guys in like 10-15 minutes. Ooh, don't want to have it hot, y'all. You want to have it as cold as you can. Because you don't want your hair to be frying. So your hair is better when it's cold. Know that. So also, guys, what I noticed is when I've been doing my daughter's hair, and stuff, well, both my daughter's hairs, and after I wash their hair and condition it and everything, if I get some of this and rub it in my hair, and rub it in my hands to put it in my hair, it keeps it really soft and it keeps it moisturized because my hair tends to be a little dry. You see how it's hard like this? I was basically push my finger through it just to get a good decent amount. It looks like that. Keep rubbing it in. Alright, you're gonna see it. Like I said, guys, make sure you're getting them ends, because if you're not getting your ends, if they're damaged, they're not gonna be getting fixed, okay? So the ends and the edges. Ends and edges, ends and edges. Oh, E's, the 2 E's. That's gonna be my new thing. Alright, y'all. I'm stamping that right now on this video. I'm just putting a little bit more just because, like I said, my hair needs it. And I'm about to do the braids, so it's not wrong with extra protection. And of course, while I'm doing my braiding style and stuff, I'm gonna be, applying some as I go. Alright. Figure out how I'm gonna do this because I got too much fucking hair for real. Woody. Can you come in for a second? Does it look straight? A little hair hack: whenever I do my hair and I part it into sections after I deep condition it, after I rinse it out and everything, and I part it into sections, I braid them down, and at the ends I get pure shea butter, guys, like this. Okay, go like this on your ends, put them on your ends. Okay, and if you let that sit, I know how it looks, you're gonna rub that in, but you let that sit on there, I promise your ends are gonna be so soft, and it's gonna help with any repairing that you need done. If your ends have a lot of damage to them, like seriously, it works wonders, guys, like for real. Check it out. Mm.